Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Sewityourself. For today's project I am going to share you how to make a thin rope and a fabric tassel. For that I have taken a bias tape of width 1 inch or 1.25 inch, it depends on you. Fold the bias tape by half in length and make a stitch. So leave some 0.25 inch from the folded side and make a stitch so that you will get a thin rope. So previously in my videos I have shared you how to cut the bias tape. Please check the description box to see the link. Now make one more stretch. Now trim the excess fabric. Leave some 0.25 inch space and trim the excess fabric so that it will be easier for you to turn the rope. I have taken a needle, so you can make a stitch like this using your hand. Now insert the needle inside like this. Now pull the thread. Now pull it. So this is how it looks. You'll get such a thin rope. So now I'll attach the tassel at one end of the rope. For that I have taken a fabric. So just see this. Fold the fabric exactly like this and make a stitch. Insert the rope in it and make a stitch. It's so simple to make. Now trim the excess fabric. So this is how it will be. Again I am going to add one more tassels at the top with the same procedure. It will be very easy and also it is so beautiful. You can do this for a jacket, kurti, lehengas. So this is how it will be. Now I'll make another one. So cut it. It will take less than 5 minutes of time. So with this my stitching is complete. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, share, subscribe and comment. This is how it looks. Thanks for watching.